on the top.
There's a fuse somewhere. No, there's a fuse by the bottom somewhere at the corner.
I don't see it.
I promise.
What, near the bottom?
Where?
Oh, be careful.
Ow.
That doesn't hurt.
Ow, bitch, pull that shit.
Oh, bitch, pull that shit.
Anything that leaves the ground.
I know.
illegal.
There it is. Yeah.
Does that leave the ground?
Oh yeah, that's a commercial firework.
It's illegal.
Yeah, of course it's illegal. We're not gonna have anything but.
So, what are you telling the cops?
The cops ain't coming here.
It is, though.
You see my you see so what? You seen my chest? For those of you who haven't.
Oh God, get rid of the evidence.
Ready for the shit? We gotta take this off?
No. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Let me see what you're talking about. Take what off? Be careful. No, hell no, nigga.
No, nigga, yeah, we take this off, look. Yeah, nigga.
Alright.
It won't be so messy.
Fuck a mess. Yeah, it's been videotaping.
Start it all over.
No, fuck starting it.
No, start all over.
No, man.
That's straight.
Yeah, I know it's straight.
Right here?
Yeah, go.
Alright.
No, hold on. You know what? Look. Let's go down here. Right here. Because that bitch was bitching last night, talking about some fucking us up or some shit.
Right here?
No, like over here.
Right here?
Do it like right here, nigga.
Right, what the fuck?
For real, I don't want that bitch bitching.
Right here?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, shit. Record that shit. Make sure you got it on. You see?
It's on. Here, take over.
Oh, shit. Wow. That shit look tight, dog.
Is it done?